This is James Tolentino of Munkergil Monkbots project for the week, and as of the recording of this video, we are still in the debugging. We are currently having some errors that we are fixing, but hopefully we'll get this fixed up, and hopefully our code will run by the end of the quarter. As of right now, in considerations to chapter 8, we have our for the controllers, we have a cart controller. So we've been able to create this cart. And as a refresher, our program, our website is going to be just like the book, but our added feature, our difference that we took on in regards to the book is that we are going to be able to log in first and have a shopping cart connected to the account that's logged in, so that when you log in you have your cart which you can put products in, and even when you log off and log back in, the products will stay in the cart, as well as administration features. So we'll go more towards that, but we do have our cart, and in regards to navigation we have some sort of difference here. And if you look at the view, we have some code which sets up the routes and links to different pages depending on what items you're looking for. So we have that, which you can see in the code. Now in regards to what we changed up, administrative controller. So this is the controller that we have for us that'll let us log in with the administrator. And with this code, you look for username password, which is in the index here, right here. These are the text boxes. If you can have the correct username password, checks the database, and if it's not null or if it's equal to password, so if everything matches up in the administrative table in our database, it should grant access, and once it's in there, it should sit in a session. I don't have the code for session yet, but I'll go ahead and place that now that I see what I forgot. It'll sit in a session where you can then, it'll direct you to create employee. So if you go to the employees controller, this is where you can create, edit, some more edit, delete. So this is where you can do your actions regarding this. So here's our view for that. We also have a view that's already created for this. So this is text boxes and other GUIs that'll help the administrator create more employees or different logins, or change and update some people in regards to what they want. Now in regards to the employee being able to log in, we have the time clock controller, and same deal with the administration login. In the record is not null. Log in. This is the clock out. This is how to log off, pretty much. At first this was supposed to be a time clock, but we're changing it up a little bit. It even has some kind of validation here. Like if you're already clocked in, here it is. If you're gonna clock in, it sends you back home. Clocking out's right here, and all this will sit in a session if I can find it. It's here somewhere. I know there's a session record where it keeps the it'll keep the employee logged in. Huh. It's in here. I'm pretty sure it's in there, but don't remember where I put it. So much code. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So the next step for this week, and also the next chapter, is we're going to connect a shopping cart to an account that's logged in. So if you're logged in, you have a shopping cart. And the way we're going to look at this, and what we're thinking is to be able to relate a shopping cart in the database, the identification number of an account, and an identification number of a shopping cart, and make those two relate so that whenever um, they're logged in, their table on the shopping cart data table, or yeah, it's going to update every time they do actions on on the on the website. So this is what we have so far. So we have navigation, our own ideas, modifying the GUI. Yes, we have our idea. Pagination, it's very confusing, but we've thought about it. And yeah, that's what we have regarding our project. Okay, and that's all. Thank you.